So in this Figma tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add text to your design here in Figma. So once Figma's opened up, it's pretty straightforward. Go to this bottom bar right here and select the T. Now if you want to go ahead and do text on a path or text, that's up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and select it for this example. Once that is done, you can kind of create a text box like this and start typing. So if I were to go ahead and type in add text like that, I now have my text added. If you wanted to go ahead and move it, you can press around it, do what you got to do. If you want to make it larger or smaller, you can go to the right here, change the font size, do what you got to do, and you can go ahead and add text this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Once again, you can go ahead and add text on a path as well, and you can go ahead, play around with it, and kind of go from there. And if that looks good to you, you can, yeah. But yeah, pretty simple. That's how you guys can add text to your design here in Figma. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.